Langol Da Leiba National Institute of Technology NIT Manipur da Bank of Baroda gi branch ama ngasi Bank ASIGI ZONAL OIRIBA North East State Zone gi General Manager SONAM BHUTIA na HOUNABI matungina Hangdokkhre Bank of Baroda Jorhat Region gi makhada na hangdokliba branch asi hangdokpagi thauram aduda NIT Manipur gi Director Professor DVLN Somaya Julo Registrar Professor KH Tomba Jorhat Region gi Regional Head Lobsang Sarpa Made NIT Bank Branch ke Manager Kuzbo Naurab Susaryaki Tharamaduga Mari Lainana Bank of Baroda ge Zonal Head North East State Zone ge Sonam BHUTIA Hai Ngasinaw na hangdogliba Bank Branch asina NIT da tamliba mahairoi sing Oza sing yauna Maike Somda Leiriba Miyamda Chauna Kanaba Piragani Bank asina account holder sing da mobile banking net banking amadi tongan ba loan di kudong jaba sing panghalagani haina mahana makataki Thauramaduga Mari Lainana NIT Manipur gi Director Professor Soyama Juluna Mahairoi Singhi transaction tobada kudong chanaba ATM booth ama athubada hangbiu haina Mari Lainaba Zonal Head ki puning chingsinki Ngasigi Thauramaduda Manipur da lairiba tongan ba branch ki manager sing yauna staff kaya masu saryaki
students and also provide a loan facility for the students, those who are not able to pay their tuition fee, etc. to handhold them and support them. And also for poor people, if there is a CSR fund is available, help them in assisting them so that as a corporate social responsibility, we can train and then grow the unprivileged youth to the next level. So my support always will be there. And in fact, I request the general manager also to open an ATM because nowadays many students may like to use the facility.
And as a Barodian, I think we can always say that as of now, I think we are one of the biggest nationalized bank next to State Bank of India in terms of everything. In terms of business also, our business is more than 25 lakhs crore business. And we have a presence of more than 8,000 branches all over the India. And abroad also we have more than I think 99 branches in almost 25 countries. So that means that we are one of the biggest nationalist bank. So talk about our bank in Manipur, our I think presence is also very nice.